Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Raudra Simman. This is the name of Sri Lakshmi Narasimha. People, if I think of qualities of a person or a person who is with sattva, he should not possess his anger, that is Raudram. So, this episode, I'm going to talk about the next Navarasa, which is Raudram. Where does anger come from? Anger comes to a person whose inability to perform comes to the fore. Lot of people I have seen with anger are proud of that character, highlighting is saying, you know what? When I lose my temper, when I get angry, nobody can stand in front of me. Actually, your worst character, wherein a person who is not capable of doing things, who is not competent enough, derives this. I pity a person, really pity a person who gets into this mode, thereby feeling for them. See this person who couldn't understand things or issues, thereby throwing anger upon people where they love those people most. People, anger leads to another worst phenomenon, spitting of poisonous words. Once when a person loses his cool, automatically he loses his affective senses, spills out such words which can never be taken back till death. These words sometimes seem pricky to people whenever one meets the other. Now, the one and only Raudra Simman is none but our Sri Lakshmi Narasimha. The whole physical figure of Narasimha is Raudra Murti with Trinetram, Jwala Kesham, Shodasa Hastam, with eyes full of fire of Raudram. He was emerging from the pillars. But here, the Raudram he uses is for the purpose of preserving Dharma. Hiranyakashipu is none other than an Ashura with full of adharma. But when Lord Narayana had to ward off that adharma to establish dharma, he uses whatsoever is suitable for that particular situation. When an evil-minded person disturbs the sattva guna filled noble soul, that to a person, Parama Bhagavata of Sriman Narayana, he goes to any extent of using his gestures to establish dharma. I would like to give a spicy add to this. When Narasimha came out of pillars, he saw the child Prahalada. Though he is in fullest form of anger, he couldn't control the inner character of him. The passion, love, daya. That is the inner character of Narayana. Here we can substantiate Narayana, who actually didn't look into Hiranya by tearing him apart physically for any evil things, but was trying to find out if there is a small name of his Narayana left over in any place in Hiranyakashipu, so that he was ready to be passionate enough to pardon him. People, that is the real aspect of Raudram. I would give a mention of a small story. There was a Swami sage who walked in the village for taking bhiksha. One day he saw a big snake hissing out, threatening people who were trying to take potable drinking water from the well. Everyone cursed the snake. The sage went near him and preached some sattvic deeds into him, and the snake obliged. Now the sage left for a long kshetradana, where he came back, thought of the snake, went to see him. Now the snake was full of wounds, blood oozing out of it, and couldn't even move. The Swamiji asked the snake, what happened? The snake said, nothing, Swamiji. I stopped threatening people. Now they threw stones on me and I am nearing my death. Now the sage told him, are you a fool? I asked you not to bite. Why did you stop hissing? Don't lose your basic character. Hissing is your basic character. People, we are like this. Our anger should never hurt anyone. If so, it is the greatest sin ever committed. Let us not lose our cool. We are not worth of it. Let us think of our Raudra Simman who takes care of us. Leave everything to his lotus feet. Because if we really trust him, he will take care of whoever, whatever they say about us. Srimate Nihamanta Mahadeshikaya Namaha.